We are still talking about using AI for basic works, but the science has grown so fast that we have the first AI generated drug that has already been released, and this drug is what is known as rentosertib, and this has been used for the condition IPF, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, which is one of the very chronic lung infections that impairs the functions of the lung and affects nearly 5 million people on an average, with their median life of survival somewhere from 3 to 5 years. And the current treatment progression is not that good. It can simply halt the disease, or it's even not able to reverse the progression, we could say. So with this development, we have a breakthrough aspect that could be seen. Now this rentoserbitin has been developed by the company InSilo medicine, and this in silico medicine, and this is a company that is one of the leading biotechnology companies which is leveraging the generative AI for researches. Now what has been the AI that has been used for it? So PandaOmics is one of the AI which has been used. Now this is a AI powered biology engine which actually identifies the data set to identify the TNIK, which is the TRAF2 and the NCK interacting kinase, and it promises the development or the treatment for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Also following this, there was another platform which was Chemistry 42, which is again a generative chemistry engine which has been used to design and optimize the compounds which have been targeting TNIK, and then this drug was released for preclinical trials. So again, a very breakthrough discovery. We will be covering many such interesting topics for you, highly important for your upcoming examinations. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining.